Would you like to learn wiring by playing a simple game? So over here, a game is being created which will teach you how to wire an S-plan and a Y-plan system. So essentially all it will do is create the boiler, the wiring center, the zone valves, and all you have to do is draw in all the wires, and it will tell you whether you've made a mistake or not, and will actually help you walk through how to do everything. You can then test it. You can choose what color wires you want, and where you want to connect them to. Now, this is in the process of being made, so it's not complete yet. It's not finished. It's not polished. But as you can see here, we've already considered the power circuit, the other circuits, such as whether the program would work, or whether there's a mistake somewhere else. I'm also in the process of creating a fault finding app, so stay tuned.